Dwee wants to start a savings plan, but she's not sure that she will be able to. She earns $900 net after tax per week and gains $1,500 per year interest on investments. And here we have a list of her expenses. We want to complete the budget table for a year period to decide if Dwee's able to save any money if she stays with this budget. We want to know what she could save per week. So let's start with the income. This interest is per year, and we're doing a yearly budget, so we can put that one directly in. The wages are $900 per week, and we always use 52 weeks in a year. So 900 multiplied by 52. So that's 46,800. So let's add those together. So we just need to add 1,500 on there. And that's 48,300. Now let's start with the expenses. I'm going to start with those that save per year. So car registration is $550 per year. Per annum means the same thing as per year. So car insurance, $930. And those are all the ones that were per annum. So per quarters are nice and easy. We just need to multiply those by 4. So water, 160 times 4 is 640. 88 per quarter. So we just need to do 88 multiplied by 4. That's 352 for gas. Just cross them off as we do them. And we've also got electricity, 130 per quarter. So 130 multiplied by 4 is 520. So that was electricity. So let's just cross that off. And now let's do some of the monthly ones. So we'll multiply those by 12. So telephones, 81 times 12, 972. So let's just cross that one off. What else is monthly? So we've got car repayments. So those were 230 per month. So 230 multiplied by 12, 2760. Now let's go through all the weekly ones. We know we have to multiply those by 52. So the rent is 200 multiplied by 52, 10,400. Car repairs and fuel. So car repairs, fuel, that's 100. So 100 multiplied by 52. I know we can get that easily from the last answer, but let's just calculate. So we've got that. Now I'd already put the car repayments in. Let's cross those off. Clothes and shoes. So 80 times 52. 4,160. Entertainment, 110. $5,720. I've got food at 95. $49.40. Sport at 25. It's 1,300. And miscellaneous at 110. We had something else that was 110, didn't we? Entertainment. So we can just copy that figure in. So that would be 5,720 as well. So we need to total those up, and I've just done that while I've been pausing recording. And that comes to 44,164. So on this basis, she could save some money. So she earns slightly more than she spends. So we've got 48,300, and we could subtract from that the last answer. So that's 4,136, and it asks us what she could save per week, so we can remember this is an annual figure, so we could divide that by 52, and that's $79.54 per week. Finally, we're asked, which of the expenses would we consider to be fixed and which would we consider to be discretionary? Now, there's no completely right or wrong answer here, so let's just discuss a couple of things. Well, she's going to need somewhere to live, so that's a fixed cost, rent. And she has to pay for water, electricity, gas, and so on. Now, certain things are possibly discretionary. Obviously, she has to have some clothes and some shoes, but does she really need to spend that much on them each year? And depending on where she lives, it may not be necessary at all to have a car. She may have good public transport links to everywhere that she goes. Also, the entertainment. Is all of that absolutely necessary? Is any of it absolutely necessary? So there's lots of things that you can actually discuss within something like this, and there tends not to be hard and fast answers. It's just a case of you making a good case for anything that you say.